Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. So, ang lola Miray nandito sa Walmart. Shopping. Daming makabili dito. Maraming clearance sale. Marami rin namang mahal. Ayan o. Clearance. Yan si sister o. Tapos na tayong mag-shopping dito sa Walmart. Good morning, Ohio. Today we will have our breakfast at Bob Evans. So, tara mga lola, mga nanay at mga tatay, let's enjoy our breakfast for today. We are here at Bob Evans. So this is the
French toast,
farmer's choice. Ham, bacon, 2 eggs, the potato, hash brown, and the French toast. Oh, just one order. How can I finish this? And this is, what is this? Wow, truffles. And this is Dad's. Wow, thank you. And this is Farm's Choice with a hot cake. Oh, there's lots. Wow. How can we finish this? So after our yummy breakfast, we will be having our time to stroll around. We plan to go to the park and see those beautiful flowers, trees, and need to relax before we head back home. Well, now is started to rain. As you can see, mayroon ng mga maliliit na patak ng ulan. Not very sure now whether we can still go to the park, whether the rain will stop. So let's see. Medyo malakas na ang ulan here, so it seems we really need to go back home. So we're here at Chick-fil-A.
Palisin muna natin.
O-order lang ng lunch para we can go home. So today is our 4th day here in USA, in Ohio. This morning maulan, but now is wala nang ulan and mainit na. We're here in front of Chick-fil-A and we will just do some takeaway food. We'll buy some. Oh, we need to try this food because wala nito sa Hong Kong. So since we're here, we better try to see what is it all about and if it tastes good. So I bought the sea salt pistachios coated with milk, freeze-dried strawberries coated in milk chocolate. This is Naper's caramel and pretzel cluster. I think I'll bring this when we travel tomorrow. I will be going to Florida by plane, and we will stay there for 5 days. We will be heading home. Uwi na tayo. Wala na rin yung ulan, but as you can kasi hindi ganun ka sikat ang araw. So, let's go back. Sipag talaga ng ating brother-in-law. Walang sinasayang na oras. So now we're going to the outlet. But before that, dadaanan muna natin ang ating sister. So excited ang Lola Miray. What we can see and what we can buy here at the Cincinnati Premium Outlet. So let's go mga Lola. Magandang shoes sa Under Armour. Under Armour na shoes and shirts.
Is it this one po?
Uwi na kami and lakas yung hangin. We will go to the restaurant for dinner. A hot pot restaurant. Nawala na yung sumpong at yung topak. Nawala na din sakit ng paa ko. We're here now at the Seoul Korean Barbecue and Hot Pot Restaurant. Hoping na sulit. Masarap ang ating kakainin for today. Napagod ang mga lolo at ang mga lola for today. So we're now here at the Korean hot pot. So, you will choose what you want, you order it, and they will deliver it to you as much as you want. And you just enjoy your meal. So, I have ordered the tomato soup base with watercress. Yeah, it's open. And this is, same, watercress. The kimchi. The beef and this sorting. Let's enjoy eating.
Baka natin lalagyan ko na yun.
The food is good, the food is nice, just enough sa mga lolo and lolas for today. Lolo, mga lola, mga nanay, mga tatay, mga kapatid at kaibigan, salamat sa pagsama muli sa Lola Miray at sa lolo sa aming paglalakbay. Until then, ingat and God bless everyone. So this is our room here at Florida Airbnb. It's so huge. This is the master's bedroom. We will have a room tour tomorrow.